was coming on the freeway and I seen it was a puddle, but I didn't think it was too big for me to get through. And once I got through, my car started spinning and it had stopped and it left me right here.
What was going through your mind? What were you thinking?
I had called my family and I was just saying my car is sinking, somebody needs to come and get me because I am like pregnant and I'm not trying to lose the baby. So.
Oh my gosh, you're pregnant?
Yes, 2 months pregnant. I'm not trying to lose the baby.
How just frightening was this whole experience?
I'm still kind of shaky, but I'm happy that I didn't get stuck.
When that water, so the water basically just overtook the car?
Yes.
And then what did you do?
I got on top of my car, and I waited for the ambulance to come and get me.
Did you have to go through your window?
Yes. I had to make sure my window was all the way down for me to get out.
I know you're glad right now, right?
Yes.
You just happy to be safe?
Yes.
And you said you're 2 months pregnant?
Yes.
Well, tell me how you're feeling when they came on scene.
Thank you.
How was it? How were you happy to see somebody's getting ready to get you?
Yes. Yes. Because I was really nervous. Because I thought I was going to sink into my car as well, but I didn't. So I'm happy that I didn't.
And so basically your worst fear, what was your worst fear?
Sinking into my car and not being able to get out my car.
And so you were calling your folks and telling them what's going on?
Yes. They're trying to get to me now, but it's too much traffic, so they're still trying to see.